Okay. Sorry guys, the first video doesn't have sound, so I have to repeat the explanation, but without touching the timing. So at least anyone can watch here, at least little bit have idea, They can catch something. Okay. Okay, introduce first your name. This is my student and Bangladesh pioneer, the biggest factory I ever seen here in Bangladesh now is a pioneer. So this is the handsome guy, Mr. Alamin, Mr. Michael, sorry boss,
সুজন
Sunjun,
বিপ্লব বিপ্লব
Biblab,
কাদের
Mr.
কাদের
Caleb.
মিস্টার নামুল হক
Okay, okay. I will repeat little bit explanation here. First thing, the proper way to adjust this machine. First thing, you have to check the needle height.
height,
Okay.
silver height.
Yeah. Okay. Completely up position should be
10.5
10.5, around
Or
10.5,
10.7.
27 like this, But the standard of manufacturing of BB Mac is 11.3, So, but based on my experience,
to adjust and it was 10.5 or 3
10.5, from 10.5 going up little bit, So, after that, when you get the right position, but there is a trick here. When you open this one, you have to block some screwdriver here.
tightness
Yeah.
and slowly
Yeah.
pressure given the down
Like this.
Like this.
And then you can rotate little bit here, going up, going down to increase the height, going up to reduce, So it's like a reverse position. Okay, so after you get the right position of needle bar, why why I have to block here, so that when you adjust the height, will not getting twist like this, very important. So always same position on the center, little bit trick, just to make it faster. Then after, this is step 1. Step 2, you have to check the belt
Belt
timing, the communication. Sorry boss, the light is off. Okay. The right communication of a needle between the loper should be when the loper exit on the front side. I have to focus the camera. When the needle like this in this position, so almost to exit like this, should be the enter on the groove same position.
coming and going same position
Yeah, same position. So when you align the eye of the needle and then the lower, more or less same, you can insert the thread through and through going to the lower.
yes.
So like
Easy-
this,
easy gun.
Easy, easy gun like this. That's right. Then after you find the correct adjustment here on the belt, the communication of loper between the needle, you tight everything, and then what I said, the system of all mechanic, they have to adjust the machine on the front of needle like this, but my system is different. You have to adjust here when crossing here on the eye. Should be the needle
Backside.
doesn't have a gap on the back side, you know, of the loper on this position, because this is the big side of loper. This is the entry with a groove, like this. When crossing here, should be don't have gap, 0 0. But needle should be not bending like this, you know. So then after that, tight little bit the screwdriver, the flat screw here. Then put the position here completely down, and then we have
2.5 millimeter.
2.5 millimeter Allen key. On the flat side, if you
Angle to measure.
yeah. Can you hold for me? I will explain here. We have caliper here, millimeter, 0 0. This is 2.5. When you measure on the flat side, so like this, 2.45. So it's okay, like
Maybe okay.
yeah, approximately 2.5, you know. But if you measure on the corner,
Corner.
this one it will become 2.74. Okay. The standard here, the gap, you focus this one. Yeah. So everyone will understand. The standard of this one, when this 2.5 on the corner is passing here, should be touched little bit. This is the standard. See? You can feel it's touching little bit. Yeah? Okay. So this is okay.
Measure is 2.7.
Yeah,
No,
2.7 line.
2.7.
This is the standard. So, even though you adjust the machine out of standard but not so far, if you adjust the machine so far from the standard, of course, it's problem, you know. I used to play the machine a little bit out of the standard, because what I said, all manufacturer, all machine there's a standard, but standard is doesn't work perfectly on the actual production, because we are producing jeans, you know. So different type of fabric, different type of material, it could be a problem, you know. So based on my experience, I adjust the machine like this. So after you adjust this one, everything here is okay. The gap, of course, the entry is same, or the exit. So tight everything, and then on the front side, you will find the gap. If there is a gap, you have to adjust on the loper avoiding motion. When you adjust the loper avoiding motion cam, the backside position will never change. Only the front side. So easy for all of you to find out where is the correct avoiding, you know. So when the loper entering approaching on the groove, should be not touched, but should be without gap also. It means 0. If you push by a screwdriver, will not bending the needle. It means no gap. Also, if you check here, is passing the loper on the groove of needle is free. It's not bending this needle. Okay. Now, we already finished on the step 1, step 2,
Step 3.
step 3 together, this one.
Yes.
Then, step 4, you have to
Needle guard.
check the needle guard. The height of this one,
1.5 millimeter.
maximum 1.5 millimeter. You can play around from 1 millimeter from here up to 1.5. Then put this one. I don't know, the first video don't have sound. I don't know why. Because of my
Now we're testing, no? sound.
It's like, how to say, it's very bad because of my headset maybe. Okay, tight this one. Okay, okay, tight completely. Then when you check here, when you check here, you see the loper approaching on the drop of the needle like this. There is a gap little bit here, you know. Then you have to push this one. This one should be no movement. This one have movement. It means the guard is not touching, you know, like this, you know. You move. See. So move little bit. Move completely, and then we push here. Will adjust itself, you know. Okay, leave it like this, and then we turn here. Okay, tight little bit. Okay, yeah. Little. Now, win the loper on this position, like this should be. When you check, using by screwdriver, push the needle. So holding, it's holding there. Okay, holding. So it means by focus on this side. So when I push like this, the loper is going free. Huh? See? Okay. But another checking you have to do, put the thread. Put the thread for another checking. Okay. Then check here. Should be the eye will not cover of the needle guard, like this. So the loper, the thread is going free. So when you check like this, the thread should be catching by the loper without loop. Completely close the thread inside without lock. Then go forward, still catching. Okay, it's very clear. The machine will never skip. Okay. Now, sorry, but before to adjust the needle guard, you have to check the
Needle plate, top plate.
pid dog. The pid dog. Okay, you have to check if it is correct. Avoiding, no?
Yes.
If not correct, you have to adjust here. Usually, this is the first screw. First screw, second screw. When the first screw on the top should be aligned on these two screws, you know, because this one never changes, you know.
Yes.
There's a flat side.
Yes.
Only that. Then we will make ready the machine. We will put everything and then we will try. If this timing is good. We will push first the video and then
Smooth.
so now we already put everything, but cutter we have to try on the fabric. Okay, so it's tight here. Okay, now we have to try the machine. Wait, by later on we will put that one. So if there is something problem, we can at least, okay. Bye. Please hold, please. So, now the machine is ready for trial. I have to check the position of the stop. It's very important also. Sometimes we'll skip on the stop, you know. Like this, you know. Little bit bad. Should be the correct stop is here, not going in, going out should be the eye almost out like this. Okay, but so it means
Sensor, no?
yeah, of course, the detector. So I have to make come here, bye. Come here. This is the sensor of the stop. This is the detector. So I have to move little bit forward and by please hold. Now check here if the stop is okay. So little bit down. I will explain to you why it should be. Little bit down. Very important this one. Especially on the stretchable material. Sometimes we'll escape because of this. Not of the time. Okay. So check the stop. So better.
Little bit.
So it's okay. I will explain to you. So where's the needle here? Finish, okay. For example, this is the needle. This is the needle and then this is the looper. When the machine will stop here, you know, sometimes operator when it stop is moving like this. Sometimes the lobes of thread is changing, you know,
yeah.
misaligned.
Aligned.
So when it's catching, it's miss.
Yes.
It means no good. But when you stop, for example, this is the needle, this is the looper, already crossed completely. It means this is going up. This is almost
Touching.
on the highest position, the looper. It means the position is here already here, right? So the thread already cuts. So we'll never skip. I will give you assurance. We'll never skip. So why is very how to say? I don't like the speed. We will adjust the speed. Very slow. How much the maximum? 5? No. So 4,900. 900.
4,900 last. 900, 99.
9999. It means 5,000. Sorry. I missed out. Okay.
5,000.
Now one question, no? Now one question.
Wait, bye. Question later. So, okay. How much this one? 4 plus 4,
8.
8. Make another one here. We'll see. Skip? No. Look. When the adjustment is correct, everything is correct. Even the flat. Look at the previous one. If you see the previous one, it's not flat the chain. On the right. So, this is the correct timing. If you follow what I taught, you will never miss out. You will never struggle on the line. I will give you assurance. No one can teach you the way I teach you. I will guarantee. Okay, let me.
Question.
Yeah. Tell me what is your question.
Needle is down, gone. Thread is loop. Loop is aligned.
On the eye,
Eye.
what I explained must be not covered by the needle guard. When the needle guard is catching on the eye, of course, it's bothering the thread. Of course, it's coming here, right? Right.
Align also backside, needle to backside.
Yeah.
Loop.
Sometimes here.
এখন ওনারা বলতেছে
If this one,
যখন লুপটা আমাদের এরকম হয়, লুপটা তো এরকম
look at this, look at this, look at this thread.
এর দিক দিয়ে আসে।
Look at this thread. Bye bye, wait. I will
এইটা আমি
finalize
বলাই।
this one.
ও ব্যালেন্স করতে বলতে।
Look at this thread, because this is wrong. So I have to correct this one, okay? But for the meantime,
জিরো করে দিছে না?
for the meantime, we will put tape, or maybe something wrong also here. We'll check.
থ্রেড ক্যাম না?
Yeah, thread cam. Because sometimes, no? Oh, I pull. Oh my goodness. I pull.
আচ্ছা সিজন আপ।
So, I have to correct here also. This is very late.
ভেরি লেট না?
Look at this one. I have to calculate when it's going move.
Yes.
Look. Should be this one already up.
বিকজ হি ইজ লেট নাও।
Very late, that's why.
Very late.
That's why it's coming out here. You have to calculate here. When it's coming move here, should be this one already up.
টার্নিং।
Almost touching. Also, this one is not balanced. Look. So, it's not correct.
No.
It's already damaged this one? No.
No.
Push the video. Okay. When the lower
Backside.
is moving, going back like this one approximately how to say 45 degrees.
Everything angle.
Okay, check by the thread. Okay. No looseness, okay, the thread. Okay, so it's going smooth, okay, tight. Betul, baik. Okay. Now you can close now. Little too much tight. This one. Where is the skip? No. Why no? Why no skip? That one is big, huh? Okay, we can put the cutter. Put the trimming formula. Push this one. Return. Must be aligned. 3 millimeter by. Okay.
2.5
2.5. Okay.
আর লাগা লাগবে না
Let me see how much this one.
লাগা লাগবে
So
ট্রেনিং করতে হবে না
we have the thickness here. How much the thickness? So sorry, inches. 10 millimeter. The thickness 10.6.
Okay, now finish, no? Now finish, no?
So, if the machine, if you are stitching on the very thick material, then you encounter skip stitch, it means not in the tile. Maybe on the folder, maybe stacking. Always pay attention here. If getting very small, it means stacking. Okay, in the folder. So, because when I stitch the machine, even I pull, like this.
Condense is coming.
Even I pull like this, no. So, no escape. But, of course, if too much stuck, will escape. Because the thread will not, also will damage the yoke, you know.
No.
Will damage the yoke if stacking, you know.
So,
Even this one I pull, will not escape this one.
কানিয়া করতেছে তো তাও স্কিপ করতেছে না
Look, I pull this one. Look. No escape. How much? This one, how much? How much, bhai? Let me see.
11 millimeter 11
11.5.
okay now finish, no? Everyone now adjusting again. All
Yeah.
turning motion, no? I take out.
The machine, we take out everything,
Yeah, again one by one.
and then I
adjust.
will check
Yeah.
if you learn something. Do you think when the machine running like this, you can insert the thread on the needle? Huh? If running the machine, you can insert on the needle this thread while this running. Do you think it's possible?
Possible.
Just joking. Okay. Now that it's for today. Hope you understand well, no? So okay. Thank you guys.